This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. Gorgeous penthouse unit, all on one level, with spectacular beach and bay views. Enjoy the sunsets and breezes from the spacious wraparound balcony. Wonderful and inviting open floor plan offers a beautiful eat-in kitchen with gas cooktop and built-in desk area, living room with gas fireplace and amazing bay views, a lovely primary suite with an enormous walk-in closet and bathroom, loads of storage and an oversized 2-car garage. Mariners Mark is a gated community that offers a clubhouse and party room, pool, exercise room/gym and private access to the beach. You will love calling Mariners Mark home. For more information, review the details below.